My name is Adam Herzog. I'm an instructor with the NOLI Outdoor Learning Institute. I teach whitewater kayaking and wilderness medicine. Today I'm talking about what I pack in my first aid kit. I've got everything in a nice dry bag here, and then it's bagged in Ziploc within the dry bag to make sure everything stays dry. This is a basic wound kit. I've got some gauze, triangular bandages, Band-Aids, steri strips, and super glue or Dermabond for minor scrapes and lacerations, ace wrap, maxi pad for large lacerations. This is good blood absorbent material. Quick clot or hemostatic gauze that's impregnated with coagulating agent. Antibiotic ointment. And a commercial tourniquet device. My next bag, got a SAM splint, CPR mask, gloves and hand sanitizer, and over-the-counter medications including aspirin, Benadryl, ibuprofen, and Tylenol. That's all the medical stuff. I also carry a survival kit. That includes a space blanket, multi-tool with some duct tape, an extra layer, gloves, hat, flashlight, lighter, and a fire starter kit. This is cotton balls soaked in Vaseline. I also carry an inReach, and I actually keep that in my pant leg, in my dry suit. That way I know it's always with me, and I don't have to worry about it if I get separated from my boat. This is my kit. It depends a little bit on the time of year as to what I carry. The medical part of the kit's always the same, and then I adjust accordingly with the conditions for the winter. I carry some extra dry clothes, sometimes a ground pad if I need to sleep outside in the woods. I'm always thinking, do I have what I need to survive an unintentional night in the woods? Of course, all that cool gear doesn't do you any good if you don't have the knowledge to go with it. And we're very excited to announce that we're teaching wilderness first responder classes at NOLI this spring. We're at nolilearn.org. Take a look at the website. We'd love to see you at a class this spring, and otherwise we'll see you on the river.